And so the little kitten climbed the tallest mango tree, higher and higher, until it could see the whole village.
Miren qué hermosa cosecha tenemos este año.
Y el sol nos bendice.
A fresh piece for you.
Thank you, Mama.
It is a lovely day for breakfast outside.
And so the little kitten climbed the tallest mango tree, higher and higher, until it could see the whole village.
Miren qué hermosa cosecha tenemos este año.
Y el sol nos bendice.
Keep up the good work, son.
Look at the size of this one, Grandpa.
Very good, very good.
Look! The kitten is chasing the butterfly.
Don't wander too far, little one.
And then the fish was this big, Grandpa.
Oh, really? That big? You must be quite the fisherman. Careful with those, son.
I am, Grandpa.
He's doing wonderfully. There it goes!
Bravo! Well done!
A little more paint on the top edge, son.
That's perfect, nice and colorful.
A little higher on the left, right there.
Yes, that matches the blueprint perfectly.
Look at you making such beautiful flowers.
I finally got it, Mom.
That's a beautiful mango, sweetie.
We found a few good ones down here, too.
The spirit of the forest appeared, its eyes glowing like embers.
And it offered them. Whoa, he got me.
You two are causing quite a stir.
Almost finished, my dears. It looks splendid.
Careful with that ribbon, little one.
He wants to help too.
Try this one now. Yes, just like that.
Look, Mama, the kitten.
What a silly cat.
Come on, let's finish the lesson.
So what do you say to 20 gil?
25, and it's a deal.
Excellent. We'll take it.
Oh, darling, it's perfect.